What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. So if this is your first time to the channel, guys, please check out the other content. If it's content that you guys like and find valuable, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, guys, hey, I appreciate y'all so much and thank you for your support. So what we have today is a product from Advanblack, and this product is going to be used on the road glide. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and show y'all, and then we'll do an install. All right. So warranty, Advanblack, thank you. Card. So as you can tell, I ended up getting a rack for the Road Glide tour pack. So no real instructions in the box about what size holes need to be drilled. So I will use my drill gauge for that. So what we have here is a rack for the tour pack. So what I got in the box, got the bolts, mounting hardware right there. So we're going to go ahead and get set up. I'm going to use a drill gauge, check out what size bits and all I need, and then I'll move over to the bike and we'll get started. All right, so we're going to open this up. I'm going to pull this out. And I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not. I'm going to try to angle this in here. There's dimples in right here. So this thing is supposed to be pre-marked to be able to know where to put this rack at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a piece and I'm going to mark the very center of that hole right there. And then before I drill any holes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this rack in here and make sure that it matches up to these holes the correct way. As long as all that happens, then I should be able to drill my pilot hole and then drill my standard hole and then put the rack on. Pretty simple install. So let me grab the rack and I'll pull the nuts and bolts out of it. And so what'll happen is this rubber piece will stay on here and it'll actually sit on the top of the lid. But so as y'all can see, this matches up really well to where it's supposed to go. So now I'm going to mark the very center of these little dimples right here, and then I'm going to drill my pilot hole. So a lot of people will put a punch in here and do that. I'm going to use one, but I'm just going to mark the center of it. I'm just going to put a little pressure and make an indent. Just like that. I know y'all can't see that, but that's what I'm going to do. So I will say the Velcro that they give you guys for this isn't very good, my opinion. It kind of does hold it in place so it don't just fall out, but it doesn't really like hold it in place all that well. So, all right, so here's what it looks like on the bike. Doesn't look bad. I am happy with it though. I will be able to strap stuff down on top of it, or either hang my selfie stick off the back and do some filming. But no, I like the way it looks on the bike. Not 100% happy with the fit. I will say there is a few things that I think Advanblack could do a little bit better on. But other than that, it looks nice and should do what I'm wanting it to do.